Hey everybody, what's up? Hey, you guys want to live here with this as your backyard? Or maybe a block down the road? It's possible. If you're coming to Okinawa, and I'll show you how. Here we go. Today we're heading near Taguchi Beach to check out another house and see how that one lines up with the others that we have seen the past few videos. So while we're on the way to see this house, I want to show you what's near it. So here we are on the corner of the street, and it is Starbucks. Boom, right there. Look at that. All right. So this is, what do they call this house? Ray House in Taguchi Beach, Yomitan. And here we have the Shisas awaiting us at the overpass, or whatever, the archway, which looks like a jungle gym, but whatever. You got parking for 2 cars here, but I believe there's a garage. And yep, here it is. So 4 cars total will fit here. All right. And looks like it's got a balcony right there to hang out with. Oh, also vending machine. So if you get thirsty in the middle of the night, vending machine. And the cool part about this house is you are literally 1 block, city block, away from Taguchi Beach, which we will show you in a bit. So Yumi from Joy Housing is here, and she's going to show us this awesome house. And Yumi is not only the greatest real estate agent in Okinawa, she's also a model, because I've seen you in magazines modeling for hotels and stuff. So don't try to pass yourself off as just, oh, I just show houses. No, you're a model, I know that. All right, so here we have the 2 Shisas, and we're gonna go inside. How many bedrooms is this?
This is, I want to say it's like 4.
4. You want to say? All right. Okay, so we walk in. Very cool. This is like a built-in for shoes.
Yes.
Also built-in for shoes.
It's very unique.
Built-in for shoes. Yeah. So the funny part about this house is our friends who PCS off island actually lived here. So that's funny. Okay, so this house is set up a little differently than the cookie cutter ones that you'll see in new construction. This is a very unique floor plan. So here we go. We have hardwood floors. This is where we just walked in, hardwood floors. To the right, we have a big yard. Now, granted, they will mow down the lawn and everything, but it is a pretty good sized yard. Trees and everything that goes around the other side. Okay, so this will be the kitchen. Okay, so the range goes here. Okay, kitchen. Cool. And then we have what we can consider, you could put your dining room table here and your living room stuff there and make another bedroom, and I'll show you that in a second. But here we have outdoor little alleyway that leads up to the outdoor patio, and I'll show you that in a bit. On the first floor here we have a closet of storage way underneath. It goes way underneath the stairs. Okay. And then we have a sink here. I'm not sure if we have, oh, and then we have a tub here. Oh, and also a shower. I should point that out. And the floors have the drains. You can shower here, or you can take a bath in there. Lots and lots of little like hidden things for storage. Hey everyone. The laundry room, with a pass through to the other side of the house, and I'll show you that in a second. So here we have a laundry room. And again, more storage. All right. Such a cool floor plan. And we have built-ins there for storage as well. And more stuff over here. Okay, so what I will call this, I'll call this the living room. Living room slash dining room. That's what I meant to say. Living room slash dining room. Okay, so this can be a bedroom. Possible bedroom in here. And again, it goes sliding doors to the outside. The grass is a little overgrown, but that's okay. And again, you have built-ins for storage, clothes, whatever you want. Or you can make this a TV room as well. The way it was set up before was it was a TV room, but it could certainly be a pretty big bedroom. And here's another look at the yard. Of course, it will be mowed. Okay, and you have double doors. You have an entrance off of the main door into this room, and you also have these double doors, okay? Now, we will walk through here, and here's like an alcove for storage under there. We have a toilet here, and it's one of the funky toilets that does music and heats the seat and everything. This is a Japanese toilet. Awesome, awesome stuff right there. That's so cool. Okay. The bathroom down here. Okay, so we'll walk over here. Here's the pass-through to the laundry room. So you can really see the laundry room from here. Cool. Now here we have a bedroom. I mean, when you're talking about storage, look at this. It's just, this closet goes from here all the way to the other side of that wall. And again, you have a pass-through to the yard. So now let's get out of this room here, and we're going into, so I've never been back here because I always stayed in the living room whenever they had friends over and stuff. So this is another bedroom here. Let's get this here. Okay. And it has windows. This goes to the street, and this window will show you the yard. And it's a pretty good sized bedroom with built-in storage, wardrobe. And let me just get a, here's another, let me just get another look-see from the side here. This is a very big bedroom. It's got storage in here. Oh yeah, look at that. All of these. All of these. Built-ins everywhere. And there's your air conditioner. Right there. Okay. So, now we go upstairs? Yeah. All right, so now we go upstairs. Okay, that's always good news. Okay, so up here we have 2 bedrooms. Wow, this is a good size. It's very deceiving when you walk in. You think it's gonna be small. But here you go. Again, you have a built-in here. One window goes facing the street. There's your remote control for the AC. And then the other window and it has a sliding glass door out to a balcony. Okay. And there's your air conditioner. All right, so what else do we have up here? So we have a little area here. A little area here where you can put stuff. Okay. Little triangular area. And you also have a shower. Looks like a telephone booth, but it's a shower. And here we have There's your AC remote, there's your AC. And you have a pass-through to the corner unit that we just saw, the corner area. And here you can see the yard. This is probably the smallest of all the bedrooms, right here. Now I see a door here, but I don't know where the door goes to, so I'm just going to open it. Okay, so it's a toilet. Okay, so it's a half bath. Okay, half bath. So a friend of ours had this house for I think 3 years, and they moved, and now it's for rent, and we're showing it to people that are possibly looking to rent it, who are coming from Rom or coming for their new duty station. So let's recap what's up on the second floor here. We've got this area here, could be a study or lounge. Okay, we have this right here. Yeah. Not sure how that works. No, I don't actually, but that's why you're here. Yeah, that's the.
Why isn't that?
No, don't ask questions. Don't ask questions. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. All right. So, yeah. Ooh, it is hot. So, yep.
Yeah, ocean.
So here we have our little balcony off one of the bedrooms, and you can see the ocean, and just yonder is Taguchi Beach, which I will show you in a second. Okay. It's very cool. Woo, and very hot. Okay, so we have this area here. We have the balcony out there, and we've got one bedroom here. This was the third bedroom. That was the fourth bedroom, the small one. We've got a toilet, a shower, and now we're gonna head downstairs to recap what we just saw downstairs. And again, there's outlets all throughout the house, normal standard outlets. Okay. So we'll start back here. Cool Japanese toilet with all kinds of stuff. Okay. We have a big bedroom here, huge bedroom. I would say that this would probably be, you'd probably want this as the master, to be honest with you. You won't get a lot of afternoon sun. You probably won't get a lot of morning sun either. It's very much shaded, okay? And it's got a huge, huge closet. All right. And then we have another bedroom here, which has the built-ins inside the wall and on the wall, and the wardrobe here. So this is bedroom 3 and the master. So it's one bedroom here, one bedroom there, laundry room, and then upstairs 2 more bedrooms. So 4 bedrooms total. There's the bathroom. Here's the stairs, there's Yumi. And here's the other bedroom. Wait, did I screw that up? No, I did screw this. You could possibly make 5 bedrooms out of here.
You can.
You can. I think I screwed it up. This downstairs, you could make 1 bedroom here out of this room, and then we'll go over here. And you could make another bedroom here. Obviously, this would probably be your master. Make the master bedroom here, so that's 2. Then you could come over here and make a 3rd bedroom, that's 3. And this is a really good sized bedroom right here too. As well as the other 2. And then you've got your laundry. And then you could go upstairs and you could have one big giant bedroom there, that's 4, and then the one to the right would be 5. So you could literally have 5 bedrooms in here.
And then there's that like little play area upstairs too. That you can...
Yeah, the corner, yeah, the thing looks like a triangle, yeah. So the way they had this set up was they had their sofa here, a couple of chairs here, and the table here. And then they had their dining room table there. And it was really nice. Now, when we get outside, I'll show you there's another area, like a deck. Whereas upstairs was like kind of a balcony overlooking stuff. Here, there's an actual deck that you can use as well. And I'll show you that in a second. So let me show you guys the yard. So here's the yard, and like I said, it goes pretty far back. And so here's what could be the first bedroom. That would be the master bedroom. And then you'd have a bedroom on the other side, that's 3, and then 2 up top, and that could be possibly 4. This will all get mowed before you move in. And what we used to do is we used to set up chairs here and maybe a little fire pit right there, and you're good to go. You already got a picnic table, so let's go check out that deck that's off the side of the house. All right, so here is what you were seeing in the kitchen. And here we go up. And here you have a pretty nice deck. Really nice deck. Now this house they're asking $350 for, 350,000 yen a month, negotiable. Contact Yumi at Joy Housing and I'll put all her information in the video description. The reason this house I think is undervalued and a bargain is because you are literally, if you look down this road here, and we're gonna drive down it so you can see, you are literally maybe where that big building is, that's the beach. And it's a beautiful beach. Hopefully it's high tide, and we're gonna go check that out now. But it is pretty amazing. This house is really nice. Hopefully anybody in Ram or anyone seeing this, go ahead and contact Yumi. If she can't find you this house, she'll find you another one. She's that good. Okay guys, so we're driving down the road. We just left the house. And this is why I think this house is undervalued. Because of what we're about to see here. Look at this, everybody, huh? Look at that. You cannot find this just anywhere. There's your sandy beach over there. You got some pavilions. Look at that. And this is why I think that house is undervalued, because you are literally a 5-minute walk from all of this. So everybody, thank you very much for watching the video. Thanks to almost the 1,700, almost 1,800 people that have subscribed. Please subscribe if you think you like the channel. Let me know in the comments section if you want to see anything else from Okinawa here. This is Taguchi Beach. This is a pretty amazing place. And for anyone who gets this house, they're going to be super lucky and probably really super tan. If you know anybody in the military, active duty, or spouse, give them a thumbs up, because you can't hug them or shake their hand because of COVID. And I will see you next video.